keep up with your reading. Which class? Did you read that? It's a funny sound at the front. It's ow. Ow. Wow, you're good at reading. It's owls. Owls. We've got an owl star who's been at school this week. This star has made a card for his friend who's poorly. We think that's really good and we'll cheer that person up. So, right now, I want you to clap for them. Clap for the owl star. Oh, that's loud. Wow, I think he'll hear that here at school. Owls. Next, all of our sixth formers. Get ready. Reading again. Yes. You're good. Oh, brilliant reading out there. You've got it. It is. It's beach. Beach. This beach star has been amazing and they've loved the YouTube channel. And you found it if you're watching this. Every day there's something different to get excited about. So this star has been working at home and he's really enjoyed the videos. Well done to you. Keep up your good work. Are you ready for your clap? Ready? Everybody at home, clap. Beach. Looks easy. Ah, shh. Ah, shh. Blend it all together. Ash, you're right. Oh, some of you were really shouting that one out. The ash star has been really helpful at home. And they've been doing their Joe Wicks PE sessions. That must be every morning, right? Are you doing that as well? Oh, I can hear some teachers shouting at me. They're doing it as well. Everybody might be doing that. Well done, keep fit while you're having your school at home. So we're going to clap for you. Ready, Ash? Ready, Ash Star? Everybody clap. Hooray, well done. Ash. Next. Oh, there's some great readers out there. Yes, you've got it. I'm not sure the picture's right though. No, we don't have a class called Palm Tree. It's reading elm. You're right. Are you sitting there thinking that you're the elm star? Well, you'd be right. You'd be right. Somebody who has been making recipes and baking and cooking This star has done her own incredible recipe for Rice Krispie cakes. I've seen it, it's great. And I know that one day this week she made homemade tomato soup. That person is working really hard on sixth form tasks. That's amazing. Keep it up at home, you can do it. It's just different. Well done, everybody's going to clap for you. Get ready, everybody at home. 1, 2, 3, clap. I have 2 more sixth form certificates to go. But hang on. What's gone wrong here? We'll carry on, but we've got no more folders on the wall. Uh-oh, better sort that for next week. 2 more certificates for sixth form. Oh, you guys are great at reading. Oh yeah, I can hear you all shouting. I know it's you. All those young adults in Pine, ready to see who's their star. Well, here we go. In Pine, somebody has been really helpful at home and has moved out of their own bedroom. Moved into a tiny bedroom because their mum needed to help someone stay at their house. They needed a bit of help. And you know what? She's been amazing. She hasn't grumbled. She's coped with the change. She's got on with it without worrying or complaining, and that's really special and really adult, which is what we expect if somebody's in sixth form. So let's give that Pine star a great big clap. And I'm going to put their certificate just propped up on the board so that we can see they're going to be there. Give them a clap while I do that. And here we go. Last sixth form class. Yes, you've got it. I bet you'd already worked out who'd be missing. It's Oak. Oak. Are you in Oak? Oh yeah. This is an oak star. Look. Look what that person's been doing. They've done their number and literacy, reading, writing, work at home. Wow, listen to this. They counted 100 stones into a bucket. Their picture's here. 100 stones. Oh my goodness. That sounds like really hard work. And that is the oak star. Give them a clap. So everybody, our assembly is finished. Good afternoon. We will not see everybody at school on Monday. School is finished for a little bit and closed. Stay safe, do good things with your family and keep on watching. See everybody on Monday.